Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sebastian Board, the approved guy. I'm making this video to update everybody on some bad news. Unfortunately, the SBA has released new rules which now disqualifies businesses with merchant cash advances from using an SBA 7A loan to refinance or consolidate that merchant cash advance debt. So in the past, one of the things that I would look for is if you had good credit to qualify, we can consolidate or refinance your bad debt into a SBA 7A loan, but that is no longer on the table. So what's left, unfortunately, is that you're going to have to bite the bullet and pay the debt, or if you really are in a position where you're about to default and you're just going to end up paying late or not being able to pay back the debt, to get an attorney behind your back, which is a debt restructure where you'll save 50 to 80% of your monthly payments on that debt. In the end, you will pay it back and you will get a paid in full letter with a zero balance. It'll clear off the UCC filing, but in the short term, it'll stop the bleeding because you'll be able to have the attorneys negotiate on your behalf to get you in a position where you can afford to continue to run your business while you pay back that debt. So I know this isn't great news, but it is what it is. The SBA is no longer allowing you to use their loan to restructure or consolidate MCA debt. If you want to talk about it, if you have questions, if you have bad debt and need help, please schedule a call. You can also go ahead and submit your information and I'll make the introduction to get you started with your debt restructure right away. I look forward to speaking to you, and I also look forward to teaching you about your banking opportunities, assets, and taxes strategy, so in due time, you'll never have to borrow from these banks ever again. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and let someone know who will let someone know about the value of the content that I'm sharing. I look forward to speaking to you. God bless. Take great care. Talk to you soon.